How to get dark mode app icons on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the settings of your Mac by clicking on the top left hand side corner, and here select the option of system settings. Now scroll down on the left hand side panel, and here you get this option of appearance. Now right over here you get this option of dark under the icon and widget styles. Simply select dark over here and all your icons will be turned to dark mode, and you can also select whether you want the always option or the auto option. The auto option will depend on the system's dark mode or light mode. So if you have selected the appearance as auto on the system, then app icons will be turned dark when it is night in your country or your region, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.